what? Yep.
You grab this corner. Alright, here we go. Might want to guide him. Closer we can get to that fucking door, the better on the weight. You're gonna want one up towards the front, Mackie,
Yeah.
one in the middle, one in the back.
Yeah.
We have fours, we
Yeah.
probably use them.
No, they're just rolling
Go
everywhere.
up a little more.
Get one just inside the door here.
Okay.
Here we go, going down.
You can come out further.
Try to.
Get.
Alright, hold on right there. Hold that for a minute. Parker, there's panels in there, man. The pipes are gonna roll inside between the fucking things.
Say what?
The pipes are gonna roll back between these little fucking panel things.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. Yep. Well, maybe it's a good thing you brought 4 of them.
Yeah. But I don't think we're gonna be able to move them though.
As long as we don't get more than one at a time in there, but certainly if we get 2 in there, we'll be in trouble. But
Right. Alright, Matt, you put that other one back in the front.
Which one?
Right here.
oh, stick the panel right inside the door.
A little bit fucking tough with this
Yeah.
fader, but alright, here we go, going back up. You want to guide him first, you want?
Yeah, just get him right inside the door.
How we looking there? Good?
Keep coming.
Alright,
There, set her down.
Watch your finger. Alright. Off right there. I want to make sure we can roll it before we take them all the way off. Down just a little bit. Hold that. Alright, it's gonna work. I'm gonna unhook him. Man, get up there now. You want me to pull that shackle right there with your head.
Yeah, I'd say unhook him. That ladder's sitting back there.
Okay.
Grind pan, have to grind that
Yeah,
off.
I'll grind it fine.
I got a can of primer in here.
Alright.
That fucker come off.
He's almost got enough wheel to do something there.
Yeah. Got our money's worth.
I think you got the last quarter out of that.